Welcome back to the channel, your ultimate destination for all things home decor. We all want our homes to feel like a high-end sanctuary, but true modern luxury isn't about flashing logos or cluttering a room with expensive items. In 2026, the secret to an elegant, expensive-looking interior comes down to intentional design, premium textures, and architectural details. Today, we are breaking down the definitive modern luxury home decor ideas that will completely transform your space this year. If you want to elevate your home aesthetics, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's dive in. The foundation of a luxury interior begins with a meticulously crafted color palette, and currently, the industry is undergoing a significant evolution toward the quiet luxury aesthetic. This movement prioritizes stealth wealth, an environment that exudes opulence through quality, craftsmanship, and restraint rather than overt displays of branding or excess. At its core, this style relies on a sophisticated, monochromatic base designed to evoke a sense of timelessness and serenity. To achieve this, designers are moving away from stark, clinical whites in favor of a warmer, more inviting spectrum. Warm alabaster creams provide a luminous, soft glow, while soft tawnies and rich, earthy taupes add layers of organic comfort and psychological warmth. These hues act as a versatile canvas, allowing the architectural details and natural light of a room to take center stage. However, a monochromatic room risks feeling one-dimensional without strategic contrast. To achieve a bespoke, designer finish, it is essential to integrate dark anchors, deep, moody accents that ground the airy neutrals. Incorporating rich espresso-stained wood tones, such as walnut or charred oak, alongside charcoal-washed elements creates immediate visual depth and structural tension. These accents should be applied with precision, perhaps through a statement coffee table, custom cabinetry, or slim profile window frames, to maintain the principle of understatement. Texture plays a vital role in this expansion. Layering a cream boucle fabric against a dark wood grain or placing a charcoal silk wool rug on a light limestone floor adds tactile complexity that feels expensive to the touch. Ultimately, high-end spaces are defined by their ability to feel calm, cohesive, and perfectly curated. This involves a less but better philosophy, where every piece of furniture and every decorative object is selected for its silhouette and materiality. Lighting serves as the final layer, utilizing soft, indirect illumination to highlight the subtle variations in the neutral palette, ensuring the environment feels balanced, intentional, and profoundly tranquil. The evolution of modern luxury interior design is rooted in a departure from the sterile, mass-produced aesthetics of the past decade. To achieve an elevated, expensive look, the focus must shift from visual uniformity to tactile complexity. This is achieved through a strategic layering of premium materials that prioritize organic origins and sensory depth. 1. The foundation, natural stone and mineral surfaces. Modern high-end design favors materials that tell a geological story. The shift away from generic, polished porcelain toward authentic stone creates a sense of permanence and architectural integrity. Heavily veined marble, move beyond standard Carrara to high-contrast varieties like Calicata Viola, Arabescato, or Paonazzo. The drama of the vein acts as functional art, providing a focal point that synthetic mimics cannot replicate. Travertine. This material is seeing a massive resurgence, particularly in honed or tumbled finishes. Its porous, matte surface offers an earthy, Mediterranean brutalism that feels both ancient and contemporary, polished versus matte, while polished stone offers a classic cold luxury. Matte or leathered finishes are currently more sought after for their ability to hide wear while feeling softer to the touch point too. The timber palette, exotic woods and matte finishes. The expensive look avoids the orange-toned oaks or high-gloss lacquers of previous eras. Instead, it embraces the raw, architectural grain of premium hardwoods. Species selection: look for walnut, white oak, teak, or cerakote. These woods offer deep, complex grain patterns that provide visual warmth. The matte revolution: high-gloss finishes often look like plastic under artificial light. A matte or oil-rubbed finish allows the light to hit the wood fibers directly, highlighting the natural chatoyancy, shimmer, of the grain and making the furniture feel more artisanal. Point 3. Textile layering: the architecture of softness. Luxury is defined by the hand feel of a room. A space with only one type of fabric feels flat. A luxury space uses textiles to create a landscape of different heights and weights. Chunky boucle, originally popularized by Coco Chanel, this knotted, looped yarn provides an architectural silhouette to furniture. It adds a heavy, cozy weight that grounds a room. Raw linen: unlike pressed, formal linen, raw linen features natural slabs and a slightly irregular weave. It introduces an element of perfect imperfection that suggests a relaxed, global sophistication. Brushed velvet and mohair: these materials are essential for light absorption. Unlike shiny synthetics, high-quality velvet has a dense pile that creates deep shadows and rich highlights, adding visual volume to seating. Point 4. The principle of sensory contrast. The hallmark of upscale living is the deliberate juxtaposition of hard and soft or cold and warm elements. This is known as tactile tension. The cold/warm dynamic: placing a cold, heavy slab of polished marble next to a soft, high-pile rug or a mohair throw creates an immediate sensory bridge. The eye perceives the hardness of the stone, which makes the softness of the fabric feel even more indulgent. By comparison, visual weight balancing: use heavy materials, stone, thick wood, for the structural bones of the room and lighter, textured materials, linen, boucle, for the skin. This balance prevents a room from feeling too clinical or, conversely, too cluttered and soft. By curating a palette that emphasizes these raw, premium textures, you move the design narrative away from buying things toward crafting an environment, which is the ultimate definition of modern luxury. One element that immediately separates standard rooms from multi-million-dollar homes is architectural lighting. While basic construction often relies on functional, utilitarian illumination, high-end residential design treats light as a structural material. Layered lighting is an absolute must for an elegant interior, requiring a strategic combination of 3 distinct layers: ambient, task, and accent lighting. The 3 pillars of layered lighting: ambient lighting, general, this provides the overall illumination for a room. In premium homes, this is rarely achieved through a single central fixture. Instead, it utilizes recessed invisible downlights with deep baffles to reduce glare, ensuring the source of light is felt but not seen. Task lighting, functional targeted lighting for specific activities. In a luxury context, this includes integrated LEDs under kitchen cabinetry, directional reading lights tucked into headboards, or shadow-free vanity lighting in primary suites. Accent lighting, decorative, this is used to highlight architectural features, artwork, or textures. It creates depth and prevents a room from looking flat. Integrated LED systems and cove lighting. Instead of relying on harsh overhead lights, focus on ambient and accent lighting. Soft, warm LED strip lighting hidden in ceiling coves, shadow gaps, or under cabinetry creates a gorgeous, hotel-like glow. This technique, known as indirect lighting, reflects light off surfaces, like the ceiling or floor, to eliminate harsh shadows. Toe kick lighting. Placing LEDs at the base of cabinets or floating vanities creates a weightless, ethereal effect. Cove lighting. Hidden strips in ceiling recesses can make a room feel taller and more expansive. Statement sculptural fixtures. Pair architectural integration with statement sculptural light fixtures that double as fine art. In high-end design, the chandelier or pendant is often the jewelry of the room. Materiality: look for hand-blown glass, alabaster, brushed brass, or blackened steel scale. Premium homes often utilize oversized fixtures to command attention and define the proportions of a large space. Technical specifications for a premium feel. To achieve a truly expensive look, technical details cannot be overlooked. Color temperature: stick to warm white, 2700 K to 3000 K. Anything higher, 4000 K plus, can feel clinical and cold, stripping the home of its coziness. Color rendering index (CRI). High-end lighting uses bulbs with a CRI of 90 or higher, ensuring that the colors of furniture, rugs, and skin tones appear vibrant and true to life. Dimming systems: a hallmark of luxury is the ability to control the scenes. Systems like Lutron or Control 4 allow for one-touch settings, e.g., dinner party or relax, where multiple layers of light dim simultaneously to a preset level. Now, let's talk about furniture and scale. In 2026, modern luxury layouts prioritize fluid, organic shapes over rigid, sharp edges. Curved, bespoke sofas and rounded armchairs bring a soft, inviting elegance to living areas. Another major designer secret is scale. Instead of crowding your room with lots of small furniture pieces, choose fewer, but larger, statement items. An oversized coffee table or a grand, minimalist sideboard creates a sense of abundance and clean, open-concept grandeur. Transforming your home into a modern luxury haven is all about choosing quality over quantity, focusing on rich textures, and mastering your lighting. Which of these trends are you excited to try in your own space? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. And welcome to our channel community if you're new here. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and I will see you in the next one.